Hello and welcome to the video. In this introductory video, we are going to discuss about generative AI and how it is revolutionizing the graphics and designing field. Then we will narrow down our discussion to Stable Diffusion and the available Stable Diffusion Web UI, specifically Automatic 1111 and Invoke AI. So, let's get started. What is generative AI? In a broader way, generative AI can be described as any type of artificial intelligence, AI, that can be used to create new text, images, videos, audios, code or synthetic data. Or you can say that at any point of time AI technology is generating something on its own can be referred as generative AI. Basically, they are AI algorithms that generate or create an output, such as text, photo, video, code, data, and 3D renderings, from data they are trained on. The term generative AI is amplifying day by day because of the increasing popularity of generative AI programs, such as OpenAI's ChatGPT, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion. The conversational chatbot and AI image generator both use generative AI to produce new content, including computer code, essays, emails, social media captions, images, poems, raps, and more within seconds, drawing in people's attention. There are different areas where generative AI is making a buzz. One of them is visual. Visual AI generators provide end users with a fun way to experiment with artificial intelligence. Generative AI art is created by AI models that are trained on existing art. The model is trained on billions of images found across the internet. These images are often artworks that were produced by a specific artist. The model uses this data to learn styles of pictures which are then reimagined and repurposed by AI to generate your image. Although it's not the same image, the new image has elements of an artist's original work. And get all that fantastic work, just in few minutes and with just few words. Generative AI is assured to revolutionize the world of visual arts by providing new opportunities for creating, editing, and enhancing images and videos seamlessly. Artists, photographers, and graphic designers can use generative AI models to create new images or modify existing ones in interesting and unique ways. So the Stable Diffusion is one of the areas of generative AI art. Let's deep dive into the Stable Diffusion, what it is, and how it works. Stable Diffusion is a latent diffusion model, a kind of deep generative neural network, text-to-image model released in 2022. It is primarily used to generate detailed, photorealistic images conditioned on text descriptions. While this is a popular feature, it can also be applied to other tasks such as inpainting, outpainting, and generating image-to-image translations guided by a text prompt. We will cover these features in details in our later videos of this series. AI can generate images in several different ways, but Stable Diffusion uses something that's known as a latent diffusion model, LDM. It starts with random noise that resembles an analog television static. From that initial static, it goes through many steps to remove noise from the picture until it matches the text prompt. This is possible because the model was trained by adding noise to existing images, so it's basically just reversing that process. Stable Diffusion creates images based on its training data. It was trained on a subset of the LAION dataset. Each image was captioned with text, which is how the model knows what different things look like. It can reproduce various art styles, and can take a text prompt and turn it into an image. The model can also be fine-tuned using other sets of images to produce different results. The Stable Diffusion model is open source, so anyone can use it. It is the most flexible AI image generator, and it also allows you to even train your own models based on your own dataset to get it to generate exactly the kind of images you want. So this makes us to move to our next point: how to generate images easily with Stable Diffusion. And the answer is with Stable Diffusion Web UIs. Here in this video we will specifically discuss about the Automatic 1111 Web UI and will work in the same Web UI for our later videos of this series. Web UI allows users to access the application through a web browser and boasts a user-friendly interface. Stable Diffusion Automatic 1111 Web UI is a browser interface for Stable Diffusion based on Gradio library. It is one of the most popular web UI available for Stable Diffusion. Thanks to the passionate community, most new features come to this free Stable Diffusion GUI first. It offers a range of features for generating and processing images, including original TXT2 IMG and IMG2 IMG modes, outpainting, inpainting, color sketch, prompt matrix, Stable Diffusion upscale, attention, loopback, and many more. Adding or replacing elements within an image is called inpainting, and extending an image to make it bigger is called outpainting. These processes can alter any image, whether the original image was made with AI or not. Apart from these features, you can install and use other features using the extensions. The web UI's features are quite intuitive, but we will cover all the features in detail with demos in our subsequent videos. The other SD Web UI available is Invoke AI. Invoke AI is nothing but a Stable Diffusion toolkit. An implementation of Stable Diffusion, the open-source text-to-image and image-to-image generator. It provides a streamlined process with various new features and options to aid the image generation process. The Invoke AI UI is better and more intuitive, but Automatic 1111 has everything thrown into it. Invoke AI has some shortcomings compared to Automatic 1111. At the time of this video recording, Automatic 1111 is the most popular web UI available for Stable Diffusion. Please note that TechLatest.net provides virtual machine solution for Stable Diffusion with both Automatic 1111 as well as Invoke AI Web UI setup. These solutions are available on leading cloud platforms, that is GCP, AWS, and Azure. Product links are in the description. In the next videos we will cover how to provision Stable Diffusion with Automatic 1111 volts M solution on these cloud platforms. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.